What's up, guys? Welcome to another Rebels Capital, aka Connectivity with Success. And yes, welcome to another video where we talk about the stock market, bond market, cryptos, everything that has to do with making money and making it simple for everyone to understand. Yeah, man, if you like the video, please don't be afraid to please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's go. So today is the 29th of June. It's a Monday. It's a new month, so we're starting in July. Today is another positive day. The Nasdaq is up today. The US Tech is up. S&P 500 is up, except for small cap companies. Yeah, man, small cap companies are getting a beating today. Yeah, man, that's one of the things that is happening today. So more or less, S&P 500 is making like a slow, all of them are making a slow recovery. It's up by 0.5. Nasdaq 100, it's up by 0.8. So yeah, man, both indexes are basically making a recovery from last week's sharp declines, and stocks are higher. Stocks are higher today in development of the U.S. and in Iraq battle that happened end of February, which was on the 28th. So yeah, man, everyone is recovering ever since. Everyone is making a comeback basically. Ever since the 28th of February 2026. So yeah, man, everything's Gucci. So both sides have basically put a peace deal, and the Strout is basically open now. And yeah, man, everyone is happy, everyone is Gucci with that idea happening. So the top gainers today, let me show you. It was one of these ones. It was Honeywell. Well, Honeywell was one of the top gainers today because of, obviously, the trade thing is done now. So yeah, man, they can operate as well as usual. So yeah, man, they are in a couple of companies. They do a couple of things. But yeah, man, Honeywell was one of the biggest winners when Open Bell started. Honeywell, Amazon, and Alphabet. And it seems that they made a turnaround. Yeah, man, it was up because of those news that the peace deal is over now, so everyone can keep buying stocks. And yeah, man, Honeywell was one of them. Amazon was the second one. It is up now by 4%. Currently sitting at 242. Beautiful thing happening there. And then the second one was Alphabet. Alphabet, obviously, it's the one that is making big moves as usual. So there's Alphabet A class, C class, and B class. So this one I'm talking about is the A class, right? It's currently sitting at 352. It's up by 4% today. On just positivity, basically, just to make it sweet, short, and simple for you to understand. And then secondly, we just had political news of when Trump and this lady by the name of Lisa Cook. So what happened was, what is happening actually today is that the Supreme Court ruled on Monday that Trump did not have the authority for now to fire the Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. So yeah, man, she was one of them who didn't want to listen to Donald Trump. So yeah, man, she got burned at the end. So now she took him to court, and yeah, man, on the grounds that he didn't have any power. So it's like politics now. So yeah, man. So the justice rejected Trump's bid to stay a lower court order, her dismissing her lawsuit proceedings. So what's happening is that she's basically suing Donald Trump. This Lisa Cook, who was the governor of the Federal Reserve, who didn't like Donald Trump at that time, even now, so far, because she made him. Yeah, man, she lost her job basically because of that. But yeah, man, she's suing it. She's just suing him, and yeah, man, today was supposed to be the court date. So now they're just trying to Obviously, Donald Trump right now is too busy to entertain that shit. So now they're just trying to chuck it on the side because of Donald Trump has like 10 lawsuits against him. So yeah, man, today was the court date, and then yeah, man, they were trying to just chuck it on the side. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, basically they were just blocking her lawsuit. Basically, that's what's happening today. So yeah, man, it was just chucking this matter on the side. It was like one of those things like we're too busy to entertain you. Maybe when he's not the president anymore, maybe we'll entertain you again. So yeah, man, that was like that whole drama that happened before they fired. Before they fired, apparently, Jeremy Powell was not fired. He was dismissed, not dismissed, but his term as the Federal Reserve was finished. But that guy got fired. Let's just summarize quick, short, and simple. He was just fired because of Trump wasn't doing. He was basically not doing what Trump was saying. Trump was doing this, was saying this, and then Jay Powell was doing the opposite. So it was just like a conflict of interest. So Lisa Cook was one of them who also got caught in the fire. She also got dismissed, of course, obviously. So yeah, man, they can't say that in paper as well because Powell can also sue him. But yeah, man, that's about it in terms of that politics. And then today, another stock announced a stock split, right? The communication company called Comcast. Yeah, man, they are trying to divide the what you call the responsibilities and just overall thing just to make it bigger. So because of it's up today, it's up by 6%, playing at $24.73. So Comcast is basically what it's doing. It's splitting the two publicly traded companies, um, the NBC Universal and Sky, and separating its cash generating broadband arm from the media and the entertainment business under pressure from streaming rivals, basically. So they're just trying to basically separate the broadband money, the one with the fiber, and the one for what you call this, the media, the amount of money they make on the entertainment business. So yeah, man, ever since those news came out, it went up by 22%. The CEO of Comcast, Mr. Mike, will become the new CEO of NBC Universal, while the former CFO, Michael, will lead the remaining Comcast broadband businesses following the separation. And the other thing was Charter Communication. Let me just show you the company as well. So yeah, man, for Comcast, that was W because now they can separate the responsibilities and then everyone knows what to do, which makes it easier. And yeah, man, it doesn't create any conflict of interest. So everyone knows what the limits of each company and they can utilize that effectively. And then yeah, man, the next company is up by 11%. It's currently sitting at 149. Charter Communications, which is another one that jumped in because of it's in talks with SpaceX. So yeah, man, SpaceX is not trying to fuck around. They're trying to dominate everything. One thing about Elon Musk when he's trying to get into a specific sector, he just wants to dominate every single thing. So yeah, man, Charter Accountant, Charter Communication, and SpaceX are in talks of some sort of negotiation about a consumer mobile partnership using Charter's broadband communication. So yeah, man, that is one. It's up today by 2%, currently playing at 157. So yeah, man, that's Gucci. That's dope. Yeah, man, that's about it between the two companies. So yeah, every time you get some sort of communication or partnership, the stock will definitely go higher, maybe like 6% majority. But yeah, man, only if one company benefits the most. So SpaceX is basically going to pay Charter. So that's why this is up by 11%. So that's dope, man. That's dope, dope, dope shit. Everyone is Gucci. Everyone is happy about that. And then obviously, the second news that happened for SpaceX, Mr. Elon Musk is not catching a break, bro. This guy is working. So SpaceX basically is going to join the Nasdaq 100 on the 7th of July, meaning that the shares will soon be added to a popular index tracking fund, like the Nasdaq QQ Trust. So yeah, man, that news alone increased the stock by 3% on the news. So yeah, man, we'll have to wait for those news. So ever since it's been public, this company made it the largest IPO in history, with coming in at $1.77 trillion. And on its first day of trading, it reached a market cap of $2.1 trillion. That made Elon Musk one of the richest person in the world after that. So yeah, man, we're seeing a lot of W's, man, happening for Elon Musk. I'm happy for him. Yeah, man. On the other side, he's quiet. The car thing is he's kind of quiet on that car thing, the Tesla thing. But anyway, yeah, man, we move. So on Wall Street in general, right? Wall Street in general, we have your JPMorgan, the most profitable bank in the world. What happened was they made a what you call this a forecast, right? So it's like a recent forecast they normally do after every 4 months, just to show you what we're doing, what's going on in general. So today, JP Morgan stated that the what you call these the S&P 500. Let me just show you. Let me just open it there for you. So this is the S&P 500, the biggest index in the entire world, because of it has most of the money, right? They were stating that JP Morgan stated that this S&P 500 price target, it's gonna go from 7,800 to 7,200. So now we're at 7,400. So yeah, man. So what they're basically saying is that they're gonna see some sort of rise from the current levels under a blue sky scenario. The viewpoint of this year is optimistic, and they've been expecting at least any point over the past 6 months, and that the U.S. and Iran's resolutions appears in sight. So yeah, man, what they're basically saying is that yeah, man, blue sky meaning that everything's gonna be good, everything's gonna be Gucci this year. Since the war's done, I don't think anything bad is gonna happen after that, and people are still buying stocks at the end of the day. So yeah, man, unless we see a fucking bomb at the stock exchange or a technical blackout, nothing bad is gonna happen. Yeah, man, nothing really big is gonna happen on the stock market. So everyone is positive. So yeah, man, they're expecting this price is gonna go to 7,800. That's the highest it's gonna reach now, in the history. And then yeah, man, that's the outlook for the Nasdaq 100, meaning that just the stock market in general, people are gonna make even more money than before. And then moving on to other stocks, this company by Survey Inc., right? They have their CEO who's stepping down, by the name of Mike Luns. He stepped down to become the new CEO of Trust Financials. Trust Financials, it's one of those small banks, savings and loans type shit. Yeah, Trust Financials, one of those small, tiny companies. They still loan out money like the bank. So yeah, man, this stock is up today by 0.03% due to that. And then yeah, man, that's about it on that news. And yeah, man, they just trying to come up with a new solution to make more money. There's Trust Financials, and they think Mr. Mike Loons is very good at that position. So yeah, man, because now the CEO of Trust Financials will be stepping down at this point. So yeah, man, the stock was actually even higher because of that. And then we also saw insider buying, right? Insider buying. on this company, Trust Financials. Trust Financials, we saw the legal officer. Legal officer is a person who sees that the bank in general is not in trouble in any way with the SEC or with the FBI or anything of that sort legally. We saw that he's buying $10,000 worth of shares. 10,000, yeah, 10,000 worth of shares, which makes it $50,000 worth of shares that he's buying. And we saw a Mr. Paul Todd. Paul Todd as well. He's the CFO, which is the accounting. He's basically the accountant of the whole company. He also bought more stocks into this company. He also bought $50,000 worth of shares. So roughly they each spend $500,000 on this company, going even higher by the end of this year. So yeah, man, those guys are seeing something positive happening very soon with this new CEO and the company overall. So yeah, man, that is it in terms of Trust Financial Services. And this coming week, we're expecting a couple of numbers on the economic calendar. Let me try to open that up. Economic calendar. So yeah, man, there's a couple of important news that are coming out very soon. So here, as you can see, we're expecting numbers. So all the economic calendar numbers will always affect the US dollar in general. So yeah, man, every important news, traders and investors watch out for that. If it's gonna affect their money or not. So the next up and coming money, what you call this, numbers is Jolts opening, which is basically how many people are actually working. And then earnings report we're expecting is from Nike and Constellation Brands, they make alcohol. And then ADP employment is another one on Wednesday. ADP employment and ISM manufacturing on Wednesday. And then the most important news of the whole month, which is the non-farm payroll on Thursday, released a day earlier since market will be closed on Friday for the Independence holiday. So yeah, man, that's what we're expecting this week. If you like the video, man, don't be afraid to please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's fucking go.